This is a house tour of an Italian house in Sarzana, Italy. When you get in, this is the lounge area. That is the door that leads into the dining table. And this is the first bedroom. Once you get into the first bedroom, this is how it looks like. That is the heating system. We have the storage. Oh, look at those lights. Ooh, ooh. And then every household has that chair that has been abused. And then this is how it looks like from this angle. That is the second bedroom. This is one of the heating systems in the lounge area, a chester, some seats to relax. And then we have the fireplace. On top of the fireplace, there's some decorations, the second heating system, and then we have floor to ceiling curtains. The charging ports are different from the ones in Kenya. This is the window. You can see the windows have blinders because of the longer days, like right now. And then we have this space, and of course me, beautiful me. Yeah, this is the second bedroom. We're not going to film a lot here. And then outside the second bedroom we have these lights. Look at how beautiful they are when it's dimmed. Then we have pictures. That's the chandelier, so pretty. And this is the working area, the study. This is how it looks like from this angle. Look at how artsy this door is. Ooh, yeah, it has been here for a while. And then we have the heating system. It runs all the way to the other side, and we'll see it connect with the one at the dining area. Then we have this other piece where you have books, and then floor to ceiling curtains, working station, window, of course with blinders. Then we have this table. Look at that. If you grew up in Kenya at the countryside, did you guys have these iron books? Because we did. And when you used to iron the uniform, it used to leave patches. I think we still have one. That's another door that leads into the dining area. An old door. Artsy. Yeah. And this is how the room looks from this angle. Some games, some drawings, some photos, some art. This radio is analog. It does not have a Bluetooth speaker. Then that is the chandelier. It's so cute. I love it so much. And this is how the whole study looks like from this angle. Then we get into the dining area from the study. This is how it looks like on the first glance. That is the door that leads into the lounge area. You can see it's also an old door. Then we have more artwork on the wall. The study outside, another storage piece and decoration. Ooh, outside again. The kitchen, more artwork, and yep, the heating system. Italy is so cold. It's so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. So you can see the pipe that was running from the study. This is another door. It leads outside, but it is locked. Again, an old artsy door. more artwork. And this is how the dining area looks from this angle. And then we go outside. Oh, outside is so pretty. Blinders, these are door blinders. We have some seats to relax and enjoy. You can see the house looks very old from outside, but the inside is so pretty. So if it's so sunny, you can open the umbrella. Then we have mini flowers. All the Italian balconies that I have come across have flowers. Flowers, plants on the balcony. Everyone, at least in Sarzana, everyone has plants on the balcony. So we have dustbins, so we have paper waste, plastics, and organic waste. Then let's go to the garden. This is how it looks like from this angle. Some bananas. We have quite a bit of trees here. And then we have a bike to get around, but no one rides it. More banana trees. Outside bulb. Ooh. Someone did their laundry today. Yeah, that would be me. That would be me. So more liquid. This tree here, I have eaten all the fruit. Then let's get back into the house because we have more to see. So from the dining area, we get into the kitchen, and this is how it looks like from this angle. Again, old doors, artsy. Oh, look at it. How old do you think these doors are? How old do you think we are? That's the door that leads outside from the kitchen. It's closed. Then again, floor to ceiling curtains. More artwork. More artwork. We can control the heating from that side. That pathway leads to more bedrooms. Storage for utensils. And then we have a dishwasher. And then we have a sink with marbles. I just came to learn that marble is so cheap in Italy. Yep. And then one thing I love about this house, or many houses in Italy, is that they have cold, normal, and warm water in all taps, not just the kitchen, all the taps. Then more decorations on top, more utensils. Oh, look at that light. Yeah, but I'm using natural light to film. So more storage. This is our cooker. That's how it looks like. And the heating system, the heater. So these papers they're stressing me out because I'm used to not having plastic papers in the house. In Kenya, it's illegal. Oh, we made some pancakes, some jugu karanga, some potatoes, more kitchen foodstuffs, Kenyan spices, Italian spices. And of course, more decoration and more decorations. Look at this. Look at this light. Ooh, look at it. There we go. Ooh, it looks like a moon. Now it looks like a light. Back to a moon. Ooh, back to original settings. Now we head into the first bathroom. That way leads to more bathrooms and bedrooms. So this is a half bathroom. It's simple. Just a toilet. Just a toilet and a sink, and the boiler is in this particular room. Then we head into the second bathroom, which is a full bathroom. It has shower and a bathroom and a bidet. When you get in, we have the washer here. Oh, someone's laundry is going on. That's the bidet, the toilet, and the sink with hot and cold water storage space. More storage space. Ooh, that's me. Yeah, that's me. Ooh, look at me now. Ooh, look at me now. Yeah, look at me now. Ooh, look at me now. Yeah. That's the shower. Yay! The shower is a bit tiny. So the locks lock opposite compared to Kenyan locks. It's so confusing sometimes. So we at work, we go to the third and final bathroom of this house. The stairs lead to another room, but it is locked. Storage. And the third and final bathroom. Yay! That's me again. So the sink, the toilet, the bidet. Ooh, artwork. The bidet again. And the bathtub. That is the heating system for this bathroom. No one is there. It is locked. And then we go into the third bedroom. It's so small. It's just a room with a bed. More artwork. Ooh, that's me. Yeah, I was filming the other the bedrooms on a different day. I didn't want to inconvenience people. And that's how it looks like. For this bedroom, the storage is under the bed. It's so creative. I like it. That's the hallway, more books. Oh, this is the fourth bedroom. Also pretty small, but with a bigger storage. The window, and I want to show you how the blinders work. Ugh, yes, there we go. The storage space. And then we have that piece. And this is the fifth and the final bedroom. It's a master. Here we have the bed. And we have the heating system. That's me. I'm going to dance for you. But you have to look at me first because it's a different day and I have a different outfit. And my stories are over, man. You just have to look at me. Do stupid things. Yeah. Yeah, let's dance. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is too much, honestly. Okay. Ooh, look at the chandelier. Look at how the ceiling looks like. It's so pretty. It's so Italia. And then we have a chill zone here. You can have some work done. And this master bedroom has a balcony where you can chill and breathe fresh air. Yes, and see other people and neighbors and say hi to them. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.